Water pooling under your floor mats is a massive headache. A stained headliner is just as frustrating to deal with. On the Toyota RAV4, the roof rails are usually the main culprit. The factory used thin foam washers on the mounting clips that dry out and crack over time. When it rains, water pours right through those factory mounting holes. It runs straight down the interior pillars and soaks your cabin. Fixing this at home is incredibly easy. It saves you a massive dealership bill and prevents electrical damage. You only need a few basic things to permanently fix this leak. Grab a set of plastic trim removal tools so you do not scratch your paint. You will also need some rubbing alcohol and a clean microfiber towel. A tube of automotive-grade silicone like Permatex Ultra Black is the final piece. You do not even need to remove the interior headliner for this job. Start by popping off the large plastic covers on each corner of the roof rails. Gently wedge your plastic trim tool under the outer edge. Apply steady upward pressure until the internal clips pop loose. Once the covers are out of the way, lift the metal rails off the roof. This will expose the white plastic retaining clips still stuck in the metal. Pull those white clips out to reveal the actual factory holes. These holes are punched straight through the metal roof structure. You will see dirt and sticky leftover residue from the failed foam washers. It is incredibly important to scrub this area completely clean. Soak a corner of your towel in rubbing alcohol and wipe away all the old grime. The metal surface around the holes must be perfectly bare and dry. Now take your RTV silicone and lay down a thick, continuous bead. Go entirely around every single mounting hole on the roof. Put a small dab of silicone directly onto the bottom of each white plastic clip. This creates a highly effective double seal. Press the white mounting clips back down into the roof holes while the silicone is wet. You should see a little bit of the black sealant squeeze out from the edges. That squeeze out tells you the watertight seal is solid. Snap your rails back into place and let it cure for a full day.